In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove your Shopify store password page. When a Shopify store is password protected, visitors will see a password page instead of your storefront. This is useful while you are building your site or preparing for a launch. But once you are ready for customers to browse and buy, you will want to turn that protection off so your store is publicly accessible. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your products, themes, and settings. From here, look at the menu on the left and go to Online Store. Then select Preferences. This area controls key storefront settings, including access controls and features that affect what visitors can see. Once you are on the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Store Access or, in some Shopify versions, Password Protection. Shopify occasionally updates the wording or layout, but the setting you need is in this area. In that section, find the checkbox that says Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. If your store is currently showing a password page, this box is checked. Uncheck that box to remove the password requirement. This change tells Shopify to stop blocking visitors and to show your live storefront instead. After you uncheck it, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. Saving is important because Shopify will not apply your change until you confirm it. Give it a moment to update. As a quick tip, after saving, it is a good idea to verify the result by opening your store link in a private or incognito browser window. That helps you view the site as a new visitor, without being signed in as an admin. If the password page is gone, your storefront will load normally. If you still see the password screen, return to Preferences and confirm the checkbox stayed unchecked, then save again. Once that setting is off and saved, your store is open to the public, and customers can access your pages right away. And that is all there is to it.